Hello, I'm celebrity chef Mariko Amekidomo, and today we're cooking with booze. I'm going to show you how to make pears poached in sherry, which is perfect for any dessert. To get started, you'll want a small nonstick saucepan at medium-high heat. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water. This is about a half a cup. And then I'm going to add about a half a cup of brown sugar. I love making poached pears for dessert because you get that nice sweetness of the pears, and then you get that little tang from the sherry, and it goes really perfectly with some vanilla bean ice cream. So I have my brown sugar, I have my water, I have a little bit of fresh ground cinnamon, and then I am going to add my sherry. What I learned recently was sherry kind of like wine. It's actually the same types of grapes, just a little bit of different process. That's what makes it super sweet and more of a dessert wine. Okay, now I'm just letting this begin to boil, and I'm going to add my pears. When doing poached pears, I like to use a firm pear like a Bosc or an Anjou. It's going to help keep some of the form of the pear. All right. Now that these are in my saucepan, I am just going to let them simmer over medium heat for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes and it smells incredible in here. I have my pears poaching with a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, some brown sugar, and a lot of sherry. Now it is ready to serve. Oh, these smell so delicious. You could cook them down a little bit longer if you want more of a caramelized poached pear, but I like these just the way they are. You can eat them just by themselves or with your favorite vanilla ice cream. And make sure to get some of the nice caramely sherry syrup on there. These smell fantastic. This is celebrity chef Mariko Amekidomo showing you how to poach pears in sherry. Enjoy.